Okay, today's update on the Audi TT. We are building a new downpipe because the other one was broken. As you can see, it is in pieces, and you're gonna hear my fans. Deal with it. And you can't see up there because I don't want you to. No, because I'm too lazy to go get a light. So this is what we're building. Ta-da! All right, anyways. I am in no way, shape, or form a welder. I don't do that because it's not a bad weld. As you can see, very well penetrated. Alright, be back in a few. Alright, so working on the exhaust. That was the downpipe for the turbo, which I'm coming to find out that to get it back onto the turbo, as soon as I find a flashlight, if I find a flashlight, maybe. Welcome to Mechanics 101. You just had it, now you can't find it. Okay, so that's the downpipe for the turbo. It has a flex pipe. It comes off of there. However, you see, this is a Quattro. I now have to drop the subframe so I can get that pipe in and out. That's not hard. That bolt, that one right there, same over here, and that one, which I'm gonna do now.